In this video, we will see how to export data from Salesforce. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access and export the data. From the main side menu, navigate to the bottom left and click the More option. In the search box, type Reports and select it from the search results. You will see the list of reports available on the left side menu. Click on All Reports to see the available report options. Select the report you want to generate, create a new report, or use an existing one that contains the data you want to export. You can customize your report to include only the data you need. Use filters to narrow down the data. Click Export. You'll find this on the report page or in the drop-down menu. Choose Export Format, select Formatted Report or Details Only, then choose Excel format. Click Export again, and your browser will prompt you to save the file. Once saved, you can open it and review the file for further analysis.